Today we are going to be making some sticky chicken wings. For this you will need chicken wings, bone in and skin on. These have been washed and dried with a paper towel. We are going to be coating it with the dry rub to begin with. First you will need salt, some pepper, turmeric, chili powder, paprika, onion powder and garlic powder. Give all these ingredients a quick mix and we will coat our chicken. Make sure that the chicken is well coated on all sides. You want to make sure that the flavor really gets in there. Once we are done with coating the chicken, let's set it aside for a while and work on our sticky sauce. For your sticky sauce, you will need sriracha, soya sauce, apple cider vinegar, Tabasco, some mustard, I'm using Dijon, Worcestershire sauce, brown sugar or honey, I'm using jaggery today, and then beer, water or chicken stock, whatever you want to use, and some ketchup. Add salt to taste and give it a quick whisk. In a preheated pan on medium-high flame, add about 40 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil you want. Add the chicken. You're going to hear a nice sizzle. Don't move it around too much because you want a nice char on it, and make sure you get it charred on all sides. Our chicken is almost all the way cooked through. It took about 10 to 15 minutes and we are ready to go in with the sauce. You don't want your sugar to burn, but you want it to caramelize. The sauce will now begin to cook and thicken. It will start to coat the back of the chicken. This will take about 5 minutes, so be patient. The chicken is now looking lovely and glossy and we are ready to serve.